If you want to send your first email campaign with zero experience, this is the only video you need. I've tested all the most popular email tools so you don't have to. And I'll show you exactly how to launch your first campaign in under 3 minutes. If you stick with me till the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial link to the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's jump right in. First, head to the software linked below and create your free account. It's super beginner friendly, no tech skills needed. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click Create Campaign. You'll be asked to name your campaign. Just call it whatever helps you recognize it later, like April newsletter or product launch email. Next, choose your email list. If you don't have one yet, click Create New List. Add contacts manually or upload a simple spreadsheet with names and emails. If you're starting from zero, just add yourself to test things out. Now we write the email. Click Create Email and choose Regular Email. Then you'll select a template. Stick with something clean. Don't get distracted by flashy designs. What matters most is your message. Add your subject line. This is what gets people to open your email, so make it short and specific. 50% off this week only works better than our latest update. Now write your content. Keep it clear and focused. Start with a headline, write 2 to 3 short paragraphs, and add a single call to action button or link. Think shop now, read more, or claim your spot. Don't overcomplicate it. Once your content's done, hit preview. Send a test email to yourself. Make sure everything looks good on desktop and mobile. Now you're ready to send. Click Next, select your list, choose Send Now or schedule it for later, and hit Send. That's it. Your first email campaign is live. Here's the key takeaway. Sending your first email campaign doesn't require experience, just the right steps and the right software. Once you've done it once, it gets easier every time. Quick recap. 1. Sign up for the software using the exclusive link below. 2. Create a new campaign and email list. 3. Choose a clean template. 4. Write a simple, clear email with one call to action. 5. Test, then send or schedule it. If you've never sent an email campaign before, I highly recommend using the software we covered. It's the easiest to start with. The free trial in the description is exclusive to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. That's it for this quick guide. You've got what you need to launch your first email campaign, even if you're starting from scratch.